Hi, we're going to be making frozen s'mores. So you'll need 1 box of instant chocolate pudding, 2.5 cups of cold milk, 16 graham crackers, 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, 4 ounces of cream cheese that's softened, and 8 ounces of frozen whipped topping. For the first step, you're going to need to line a pan with either parchment paper or foil. And then in a medium bowl, you're going to whisk together the instant chocolate pudding and the 2.5 cups of milk. And you're going to whisk it until it's smooth and creamy. Once you're done whisking the mixture together until it's smooth and creamy, then you're going to pour it onto the pan in a nice even layer. Once you're done spreading the pudding layer, you're going to put it in the freezer to chill for a little, and then while it's chilling, you're going to mix up the marshmallow layer. In a medium bowl, you're going to beat together the 4 ounces of cream cheese and the 7 ounces of the marshmallow cream. Once the mixture is smooth, you're going to fold in the whipped cream topping. Once you add the whipped cream, you're going to stir it all together. Once you're done spreading the marshmallow layer, you're going to cover it with a piece of foil and put it in the freezer to freeze for about 6 hours or until it's firm enough to cut through with a knife. Next, you're going to break 15 graham crackers in half. Once the marshmallows and chocolate are frozen together, you're going to pull them out of the freezer and then cut them into 15 pieces that are about the same size as the half of the graham cracker. And then stick the marshmallow and chocolate between 2 of the graham crackers and enjoy.